Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Updating your BMW X3's clock is surprisingly straightforward, especially with the 2025 iDrive system. Whether you've recently had a battery change, traveled across time zones, or simply noticed your time is off, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. We'll make sure your dashboard always shows the correct time, keeping you punctual on every drive. Let's get your display showing the right numbers effortlessly. First things first, find your iDrive controller, conveniently located around your gear selector. It's the primary way we'll navigate through the system. Once you've got your hand on it, press the menu button to ensure you're starting from the main iDrive screen. This step is crucial, as it provides a clear starting point, bringing up all the primary system options we need to access. We're getting closer to setting that perfect time. Now, using your iDrive controller, scroll through the main menu options until you find My Vehicle. Select this option, then proceed to iDrive settings from the subsequent list. Within the iDrive settings, you'll see various categories. Carefully scroll until you spot date/time and then select it. This is where all the time-related adjustments are housed. You're doing great, almost there. Inside the date/time menu, you'll find options to adjust both the time and date. Select Time first, and then use the iDrive controller to scroll through and set the correct hour and minute. If your date is off, select Date, next to modify the day, month, and year accordingly. For ultimate convenience, you can also select the option for automatic synchronization via GPS, which ensures your clock is always precise. Once you've made all your adjustments for both time and date, simply back out of the menu screens using the Back button or the Menu button. There's usually no explicit Save button. The changes apply automatically as you exit. Take a moment to glance at your dashboard display to confirm your BMW X3 clock now shows the accurate time. A quick double check ensures everything is perfectly synchronized for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.